Hello class, for this video tutorial we will work through exercise 5-1 of your textbook. And it states to draw a front, top, and right side orthographic view of each object. Do not include dimensions. So this first object, 5-1, is in feet, decimal feet that is, so we'll go to our ACAD English template, get ourselves set up, and we're going to have to modify our units to be decimal to the nearest hundredth. Okay, so we'll start drawing the front face, and this one's fairly basic, so we'll just give you a real quick rendition of it. Start with a line command. I'm going to hit F8 to lock in ortho and drag straight down, 1.5 enter. To the right, 1.5 enter. You zoom in with my scroll wheel a little bit and pan it so it's centered. We'll go up 0.75, go straight to the left 0.75, straight up 0.75, enter, and then C, enter, will complete our line work. So that is our front view. Now for our right view, we can just project lines out. So I'm just going to draw a line way out like so. Oops. And I've got to make sure I've got a line command active or it doesn't work real well. And we'll offset this a set distance. We'll say, you know, maybe 2 inches away we'll do our right view. And that right view is 1.5 inches wide, so we'll offset another 1.5, TR, enter, enter, and zoom in with my scroll wheel to trim off that. And a trick when you're in this trim mode, if you hold down the shift key and click, it converts it to extend. So I can trim or hold down shift and extend real quickly all in the same command, which is kind of nice. Escape to finish it. Now the top view again is fairly simple here, so we will extend these lines straight up, just drawing a line command multiple times. And we don't need to because it's simple, but I'll do it anyway. I'm going to take a line from the very corner of this object, shift at, we'll say 12 inches at an angle of 45. So that's a 45-degree reference line, and now I can take F8, take lines straight up off of my front, or my right view rather, front view, right view, and then straight over from this 45-degree projection line. And now I'll do TR, enter, enter, trim away what's left, hold down shift to extend, and I've quite simply created my 3 views. Get rid of these extra lines. So we have our front view, our right view, and our top view. And do a double check. I've forgotten something fairly major. I imagine you see it too. EX, enter, enter. That's the reverse of the trim. With a click I can extend, and if I hold down shift I trim. Another trick. And now we have a complete multi-view drawing. Now don't stop there. We will go into our paper tab and we'll try and scale this in here. Let's try a 1:1. It fits. And double click outside, select the viewport and lock it. Now while we're in here, let's add some text. This isn't mandatory, but it's helpful. We can use the MT command, which is multi-line text. It says specify first corner. So just drag a text box and finish. And we have a flashing cursor, so I'm going to type in top. Always use all caps, top view. And since this is a title, I'm going to highlight that and hit Control U to underline and just click away to finish. Then I can move that text just like I would move a line. Now I'm going to CO to copy that straight down, and hit spacebar to repeat the command, copy it to the right. So here I can select that text and type in front view, and here What view will this be? Right view. So just some quick text here to get you more comfortable with working in paper space. Remember, this text is in the paper view. It's not in model. So if I was to go back to model, I only see my base line work. The text is applied on the surface, if you will, the topmost layer in the front. So once you're done, save that file up. File, save as, and find your folder where you save everything. For me, that was on my C drive, auto or EGR219, EX5-1. Let me know if you have questions. Good luck.